Welcome back, YouTube fam. This is Spires Mo Power Garage, and today, as you can see, if I don't drop you first, we've been painting wide body panels. We do have all the rib nuts finally installed all throughout. That was a pain in the ass. I broke my rib nut gun right off the rip, and I had to use a nut and a bolt to get them on there. Got a video coming of that. I will upload as well fairly soon. We'll have the wifey edit it through it and whatnot. I still need to tighten up fitment a little bit on this fender and get the front fender installed. And we'll throw the bumper back on it so I can line everything up. And once I get everything lined up, I have made the decision to say fuck it and send everything, the whole car, everything to the body man for a full sand down to bare metal and repaint of the whole car. I'm going to tell him I want the rib nuts left in place. We can sand around them, sand over them, whatever we got to do, and we can just paint right over them, and they will match the body as well. So they'll be painted white to match the body. That way you can run it with a body kit or without a body kit. He's going to clean all my lines up, make everything absolutely perfect on it. Yes, it probably will cost me another $5,000-$6,000, but this car is special to me, and I want it to be nice. Now, we do got the car running very good. However, the mass airflow sensor that we had for the car is not working. See, she fires right up, set right at 15 degrees timing, idles nice and smooth, car runs absolutely beautiful, no boost leaks, the car is doing amazing, very amazing. Remember, this is a right-hand drive car. Everything looks left-hand drive because, and this is a left-hand drive car that looks like a right-hand drive car. Everything's backwards. So, yeah, confusing, right? That is so weird. Yeah, rib nuts installed. Got that all good. Got those two back panels painted. We got good pressure. We got no check engine lights. Only light we got that comes on is a seatbelt light. Let's see if that goes off. Boom. No lights. Of course, car will not rev above 2,700 RPM. I don't know why the turbo timer didn't work there. Maybe it wasn't running long enough, I don't know. But it has a turbo timer. It usually takes it a second to shut off. But we still have the radiator put in. We still got to put in new 550cc injectors. The little plastic pintle came off the end of it and went down inside the manifold, and I had to fish that damn thing out. So since one of the injector tips broke off, I don't trust those injectors. Even though I know that shit happens, I just ordered a set of Nisimo injectors for it, 555cc. They should be here any day. They gave me a $30 discount on the cheap 555cc eBay ones I bought. $26 and something they gave me back in my 52, so, and I still got the injectors, so I can use them as backup injectors. They're exactly the same as the Nisimo, just not as good as quality. And yeah, that's about it. That's where we're at with the car. I'm getting ready to run to my sister's house real quick and pick up a return label for the mass airflow sensor. And I will go ahead and jerk this thing off here. I can take it back. Maybe I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Let me grab a screwdriver. A flathead here. Let's grab this big boy. We'll go ahead and take the MAF off of it. And I also got a plug-and-play pigtail, so I can wire in my regular pigtail. And then it should plug right into the Z32 MAF that I have on the way from Australia. Yeah, it takes a little longer to get parts. I also ordered a regular cheapy MAF, a remanufactured. It's not no Nisimo MAF, but it's just a factory 300ZX MAF. And I got it ordered just to put in place while we're waiting on the other MAF. I'll try to get this baby out of here. Ugh. Voila. I just got to take that little thing off the end of the pigtail, and we will get that shipped out. In fact, I'm going to set you guys right over here for just a second. I can try to get this thing off, as they're not getting my boot. There. I had to use a pair of channel locks, but I got it off. Oh, got it off. Now all I got to do is grab my pigtail here, and I'm gonna have to unwire it. We'll get this MAF ready to send back, and I'll grab the pigtail here in just a little bit. I'm gonna run out to Sis's and grab this return label. You go ahead and shut this trunk down. I'm not gonna lock it. It is the heaviest thing ever. Oh, my thumb was caught. That hurt. Oh, lock this baby up, and we will go grab that return label so we can ship this $80 MAF back that does not work. Oh, fun. We'll set him right over here. And, alright. I'll see you guys in a bit, and we'll get to putting the rear body kit back on the S13. I'm just going to throw it on there for the time being where it looks okay. I want to drive the thing to the shop when it's ready for paint here in the next few weeks, and be able to just drive it to the shop with everything on it and explain what I want done. Of course, the guy's coming over tomorrow to look at it, so I can explain him, but I'm going to drive it to the shop with the body kit on the car. Full body kit. He can disassemble the car. He can put everything back and make it perfect, paint the whole car, and hopefully have it back to me within 30 days. So, car won't be done probably by May 1st like I anticipated, but hopefully by the end of May we'll have it back and on the road and perfect condition. So, hope to see you guys out there this summer at the car shows and events. Hopefully we have car shows and events with the COVID-19 going on. But that's what's up. Love you guys. Stay healthy. Peace out. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Spires More Power Drives. We'll holler.